Good evening, my name is Lisa Guerrero and today is April 2nd, 2018. Today we're going to speak about the lymphatic system and the location of certain areas that compose the lymphatic system. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the thymus. The thymus is located here in the center. Kind of in the middle of where the collarbone is here. It's actually very near the thyroid. We have the spleen, which is located on the left side here on the bottom, around where the pancreas is. And then we have your tonsils, or you can feel them here, but they're the two balls that are in the back of the throat. Usually those are the ones that get swollen when you get like a sore throat or a throat infection. Then we have the appendix, which is located on the right side on the bottom here. Usually that's what gets removed if there's like some type of an infection in the appendix. They say that there's not really medical use for the appendix. The Peyer's patches are located in the ileum, like on the outer part of the ileum, and that's in the small intestine, which is here on the bottom. And then we have the cervical lymph nodes, which are located in the neck area. There are the ones that are here, like in the front, kind of, and then some are here more posterior to the. And then we have the axillary lymph node, and those are found on the inner part here of the axilla, and then also on the arm, kind of right here, on both sides. And then we're also for the flow of the lymph nodes, for the flow of lymph, it starts with the blood capillaries. So it starts in the blood and then it goes into the interstitial spaces, which is the fluid, the interstitial fluid. The lymphatic capillaries, which is the lymph. And then after that it goes to the lymphatic vessels. Then the lymph nodes. Then the lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic ducts. And then the junction of the internal jugular and subclavian veins, which is the blood again. And then as the textbook describes, there are 2 ways to supply the body with the lymph, and then it's kind of like a 25% versus like a 75%, which was pretty interesting, as opposed to, the cardiovascular system where things are pretty even, and then they depend on the heart, and in this case the lymph depends on the muscles and the contractions and stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a good night.